Yesterday was it's still a very heavy day for me. I think all of us. Like every one of you, I was too sad, upset, shocked, and suddenly reflected on the life I have. So I was chatting with my sister when she mentioned that, people use in normal bhasha, she told me that people are using depression as a chana mamra, वो बेचने निकला हाँ मैं डिप्रेस हो गया पता नहीं ऐसे ही it's not a synonym of being sad or upset. In fact, it's a term medically used. People need help. They don't even know if they are. This is something to be discovered. Everyone is posting something that you must talk, you must do this, that. But I have a different purpose on this video. I'm not here to tell you to talk to somebody, which you know you should. I'm here to share a beautiful concept that when I was in a state of mind that, oh my God, what happened? That helped me come out of it. And I realized that this tool I have since I was a child. So this context of what I'm going to say and signify what happened is being a Harry Potter fan. Harry Potter is something that I have lived. I have lived like my own life wherein I started believing in magic and I still do. I still do believe in the power of love, happiness that they create. Those who follow Harry Potter and those who have read it, who are crazy about it, who watch the movies, anything, you know who Dementors are. I asked my husband that, do you know what Dementors signify? And he said, yeah, I think I watched that, you need to have a happy memory to be able to get rid of them or combat them. And I said, bingo, yes. Now imagine Dementors are all the foulest, filthiest thoughts that touch you every day. And only way to fight that, and the only way to get rid of Dementors is to create a Patronus charm. And to conjure the Patronus charm, you got to think of a happiest memory, focus on that, powerfully focus on that, and that will make you get away with Dementors. They are scared of happiness, they are scared of all the powerful things you hold, they are scared of the times you're really happy. While I say this, I really feel sad thinking about a fact that we have things around us that are powerful, simple, easy, but it is when we suffer, we suffer. I mean, there is no way to justify that, but we suffer. But holding on to the happiest memory is something that gives you the power. Forget about talking to anybody else. If your day wasn't good, there is something in a day which was good. Think of that, be grateful of that. And that is where you will experience the power in yourself by thinking you are happy right now. It is about what you create. And I think we all hold that power to create or conjure a Patronus charm. Closing your eyes, thinking of the happiest memory every day while you sleep, while you sit alone, while you eat, while you whatever. There are so many things people are dealing with in and out. We don't know. Not every time talking or not every time advising would help. It makes person frustrated. All we children, the parents watching this video, the schools watching this video, the teenagers watching this video, everyone who is watching this video, you are responsible. You have the memory that people don't know about. Dementors don't know what memories you're gonna bring in. If they know, they'll suck it out of you. Don't let it go. And let's see what all happiest memory you can list down. Powerfully focus on and begin your day. End your day. Look for a new day. Complete a task, whatever you want to do. But those memories are going to be last. It's so powerful, right? Simple story, simple movie, simple concept, but yet too difficult to work on. This is something like a precaution. This is something like a preparation that you may begin to deal things and make it so significant that you may not be able to come out of it. But practicing to focus on the happiest memory will make you come out of it. Why don't you start doing that? Dementors are among the foulest creatures that walk this earth. They infest the darkest, filthiest places. They glory in decay and despair. They drain peace, hope, and happiness out of the air around them. Even muggles feel their presence, though they cannot see them. Get too near a Dementor, and every good feeling, every happy memory will be sucked out of you. The only way to get rid of them is with a Patronus charm. In order to conjure a Patronus, you must think of the happiest, most powerful memory that you possess and focus on it. Forcing yourself to focus on the happy memories, on those that you love, is always a way to combat depression. A way of saying that there's always a light at the end of the tunnel, but that the only person that can create that light is you.